In this video, we are going to discuss about falling wedge pattern. Falling wedge pattern is the trap for the sellers. Don't go for the name. In the name contains the falling. It does not mean that market will fall. It is the trap for the bears so that more upside will come. If you check the syntax here and here, if you check this syntax is saying in the market is uptrend, and if you see the falling wedge, it will again move to the uptrend. This is also correct, but indirectly this syntax is telling the flag and pole pattern, right? But here we are going to discuss about falling wedge pattern. So do not consider this syntax. Then you can ask me why you are included this syntax in the PPT, because most of the people confusing between the flag and pole and the falling wedge. Now falling wedge look like this one. It's all depend on the trend line. If you draw the trend line is like this one and the bottom trend line is like this one, what it means is bottom trend line and top trend line, the difference getting the minimal and market will go to consolidation phase, and after that it will give the breakout at upside. After giving the breakout at upside, then most of the sellers, like who sold here, who sold here are getting trapped, and again buying will come. That's why it's called as falling wedge pattern. Now most of the time this pattern we can see at the time of support zone. Suppose this is the support area. Let's go to our dashboard. See, suppose this is the support area. Now if market created this type of pattern, then there is a high chances that market will break this one and move upside. Now how to make an entry here? If you check this example, like this example, after breaking out this one, there are again two ways. If your pattern look like this one, after breaking out this one, wait for the retest of the trend line, and after retest enter here. And second case is, suppose the falling wedge look like this one, market is moving like this one, after breaking out this one, make entry here. Why entry here? Check this swing, make entry at this swing. Like if you check the example here, this is the swing, right? Make an entry here and put stop loss below the last swing. This is your stop loss. Now what is the target for this falling wedge? Check the highest swing of the falling wedge, like from where trend line start. This is the first target, and there is high chances that if market break this trend line, then again buying will come, because whoever sold here, their stop loss must be buying at the upper side, so their stop loss should be hit, and because of their stop loss will hit, again more buying will come. This is the meaning of the falling wedge pattern. Now let's take an example from the chart itself. Now here if you look at the chart, I already marked the falling wedge pattern for you. This is the support area. This is the support area. Now if you look at the pattern, this is the resistance area. Selling comes from the resistance area, and if you look, the market is look like this one, but market is moving in the consolidation phase, but the size is getting minimal at the type of the mouth in the sense it just look like a funnel, right? Funnel, and at the bottom the size of the funnel is smaller, and at giving, most of the time it need to give breakout at this level, but in this our case, market give breakout at this zone, market got retest and again move upside. Then what is my entry point? As per first logic, my entry point is this one, my stop loss is at below this trend line, like here or here. But you again, as per second entry point, your entry point must be here, this swing, because market broken this swing. Sorry, again I can mark broken this swing. So this is your entry point, this is your stop loss point. What is the target? Your first target is this one, second target is this one, and third target, whatever, if market break this one, then whatever the target expecting, your third target is above this line one. That is the full falling wedge pattern. Hope you got this pattern. Now which time frame it will work best? Within 1 minute and within 5 minutes it will work best for the intraday. Within 1 minute same logic will apply. You can entry at this position. Within 5 minutes also same logic will apply. Enter at this swing or entry at the after retest you can enter at this swing. Okay, now if you look this pattern, if you are the swing trader and if you look this pattern at the 1 day time frame, then it will work very good, because of its swing, whoever sold here, buying will come, and when market will exit from this trend line, high chances that market will move upside. Again, there is one more method for the confirmation of this breakout is Fibonacci retracement. That I can tell you how we can combine the multiple price action with the Fibonacci level, so that you can trade according to the Fibonacci level with the confirmation of multiple support, trend lines and Fibonacci level, so you can enter at the perfect trade. Okay, this is all for the falling wedge pattern. See you in the next video with rising wedge pattern. Thank you so much.